Challenge problem time again. Sorry I didn't get to any of these yesterday. Had some technical difficulties, as I'm sure we've all dealt with that now as we're going through this. Okay, if 12x cubed minus 10x squared equals 12x, find the smallest possible value of x. I've got this written in DOM equation editor. As a general rule, and this is not always true, and there are times it isn't what you need to do. But as a general rule, if you're dealing with a polynomial equation, you should get it to say equals 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this to say equals 0. So I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. Now, that's going to do this. And all that does is basically, and I'm going to try to line up the equal signs just so you can kind of see what's going on. Now, when we discussed factoring the other day, we talked about how to factor. One of the things I told you about factoring is the first step in factoring is to remove the biggest common factor. So if you look at 12x cubed, 10x squared, and 12x, they all have a 2 in them. That's the biggest constant you can get out. And they also have an x. So I'm going to pull out into the front 2x. And that's going to leave 6 x squared minus 5x minus 6 inside the parentheses. So I pulled the common factor out in front. Now we are left with factoring just the 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Now, this is one of those things about factoring where we can have lots of options. It could be 6x and then some number times x in some number. Because 6x times x will give me the 6x squared. Or